Hey friends, I am Yuthika and I welcome you all to my channel Yutiarts. In today's video, we are going to do an abstract painting, and the painting is going to be the sun and the moon abstract painting. I would also request you all, if you like the video, do hit the like button. You can give your opinions in the comment section below, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe Yutiarts. Also, you can share it with your friends. This will help YouTube recommend my videos to more and more viewers, and this in turn will help me and my channel to grow. Thank you. So friends, today we are using a bristle brush as we don't want a smooth finishing on the canvas, as we are up to an abstract painting. We have started painting from the left side, and that is the side of the sun, and so we are using bright colors of the sun, and here I am using deep orange. I am also going to use lemon yellow here. For the darker shade, or you can say the brown shade, what I have done is I have mixed crimson red and black to get the shade, and I am brushing it roughly over the canvas. Now coming to the side of the moon, and that is the right side of the canvas, I am painting using Prussian Blue. I am also going to use white color to make it a bit lighter in shade. As you can see, I have sketched two circles overlapping each other unevenly. I have done this to give it an artistic look. So first I am painting the outside of the sun using a darker shade of red, or I have mixed crimson red with a bit of black. To give a brighter look to the sun, I am using deep orange. I am also going to use lemon yellow and white color to paint the inner side of the sun. Similarly, I am also going to paint moon. I am going to use lighter as well as the darker shade of blue, and for painting the moon I have used Ultramarine Blue, and I have mixed white to get a lighter shade of the blue. Now here what we are doing is we are giving a look of sunflower to the sun. So we are painting this petals of the sunflower, and for that I have used lemon yellow, and I am also going to use the other colors. Why should moon be deprived of anything like this? So we are also decorating moon with a random design. I am using white color for the same, and then I am also going to use a bit of black, giving it a gray shade just to enhance the design. A painting is always incomplete without any kind of detailing work in it. So now we are going to detail the sun and the moon by painting the face. I'm using golden color to highlight a few parts of the sun. Like for here I am highlighting the area under the eye, and I'm also going to highlight the nose area and also the upper and the lower part of the lips. In the same way, I have highlighted the parts of the moon using silver color. I'm sorry, I think it is not visible on the video, but it is looking great when you see it live. The painting is complete, and I hope you all like the abstract painting of the sun and the moon. Do hit the like button if you like the painting, and also you can give your opinions in the comment section below. Also, you can share it with your friends. And yes, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe yutiarts. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.